Honorable colleagues, I have a letter coming from Honorable Abdulkarim Hussein Ahmad, member representing Kaduna South Federal Constituency of Kaduna State. His message for you this morning is in respect of notification of resignation from PDP and defection to APC. It is as follows. I write to formally notify you and the Honorable House of my resignation from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, with immediate effect. This decision is necessitated due to the internal crisis within the PDP. After a wide consultation with my constituents, supporters, and my political allies, I have decided to join the All Progressive Congress, APC, the ruling party, in quest for our shared vision for effective representation of my people and the greater development of Kaduna South Federal Constituency. I'm fully committed to supporting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda and also completely dedicated to promoting unity and sustainable development in Kaduna State under the leadership of His Excellency Governor Uba Sani, the Executive Governor of Kaduna State. Furthermore, I've been inspired by the Right Honorable Speaker's exemplary leadership style and the inclusive manner in which the Speaker conducts the affairs of the House of the 10th National Assembly. Your dedication to national unity, good governance, and legislative excellence underpins my belief that the All Progressive Congress, APC, is the appropriate platform to further my legislative and constituency development agenda. While thanking you for your support and cooperation, please accept the assurances of my esteemed regards. Signed, Honorable Abdulkarim Hussein Ahmed, Deputy Chairman, House Committee on Host Communities. Honorable Hussein, congratulations to you and welcome to the greatest and the biggest party in Africa. APC. You can remain standing until we read the other two letters and then you can come forward for a handshake.
Point of order.
With the minority and the majority party.
Point of order, Mr.
I will
Speaker.
give you time to talk. Let me read the other letters because they are on the same subject matter. Honorable colleagues, the next letter before me is coming from Honorable Ali Mustafa Abdullahi, member representing Ikara Kubau Federal Constituency of Kaduna State. And the content, the message he has for us is also on notification of resignation from PDP and defection to APC. His letter reads as follows. I write to formally notify you and the Honorable House of my resignation from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, with immediate effect. This decision comes as a result of the internal crisis within the PDP. After wide consultations with my constituents and supporters, I have decided to join the All Progressive Congress, the ruling party, in pursuit of our shared vision for greater development for our people. I'm fully committed to supporting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda and to promoting unity and sustainable development in Kaduna State under the leadership of Governor Uba Sani. I also remain dedicated to the legislative agenda of the 10th House of Representatives under your esteemed leadership. Please accept the assurances of my highest regard with utmost humility. Signed, Honorable Ali Mustafa Abdullahi, Yerim Andamo, MHR Ikara Kuba Federal Constituency of Kaduna State. Honorable Ali, congratulations. You have made the wisest choice of your life for joining APC. We wish you all the best and congratulations. The last but not the least is also a letter coming from Honorable Sadiq Ango Abdullahi, member representing Sabon Gari Federal Constituency of Kaduna State. And his message reads as follows. Dear Mr. Speaker, notification of resignation from the People's Democratic Party and defection to the All Progressive Congress, APC. He said, I write to formally notify you and the Honorable House of my resignation from the People's Democratic Party with immediate effect. This decision has become necessary following the lingering internal crisis within the PDP. After extensive consultations with my constituents, stakeholders, and supporters, I have resolved to join the All Progressive Congress APC, the ruling party, in pursuit of our collective vision for greater progress and development for our people. I remain fully committed to supporting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda and to contributing to the promotion of unity and sustainable development in Kaduna State under the leadership of Governor Uba Sani. Furthermore, I reaffirm my dedication to the legislative agenda of the 10th House of Representatives under your distinguished leadership. Please accept, Honorable Speaker, the assurances of my highest regards with utmost respect. Signed, Honorable Sadiq Ango Abdullahi, Member, House of Representatives, Sabon Gari Federal Constituency of Kaduna State. Honorable Sadiq, congratulations. And you are welcome. This is the party that you were a pioneer, a founding member. You are welcome back, and congratulations.
Mr. Speaker.
Point of order.
How many speakers do we have? Come down.
Point of order.
Mr. Speaker, there are no members. There are no members coming there. Mr. Speaker, there are no members. They are desecrating the hallowed chamber. Mr. Speaker, we have many non-members.
We have not concluded on this.